guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to stop TikTok from playing in background. So you know that once you're watching a TikTok video on TikTok app and you try to leave the app and the video keeps playing in background. So how do you actually stop that? Because it actually drains battery. So first thing you have to do is open up your your settings, your phone settings actually, and you're going to go all the way to apps, right? So once you click on apps, you're going to open up your TikTok app. So scroll down to TikTok, and once you click on TikTok, you're going to click on battery, right? And you're going to click on restricted battery usage. So this app is not going to run in background. Yes, so this is actually how to stop your TikTok for playing on the background. If you find this guide helpful, give a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more info inside this. Thanks for watching, guys. This is my next video. Bye.